Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so glad you're here sharing this week with me. This week I used a beautiful kit from Nicole Alexia Designs. It was my first time using one of her kits and I got so much good use out of nearly everything in the kit. Almost nothing went to not to waste, but went to de-stash, which was wonderful. Yep, as you can see, this is a sort of purpley neutral themed winter kit, very cozy. Not sure if I mentioned, but this kit is called Stay In, and as you can see, it is foiled in rose gold. I used almost all of the pieces, the deco pieces that were a freebie that came with the kit, as well as all of the layering pieces that were provided, one of which you see me using here, both one of the scripts provided and the layering pieces, and an icon to mark work. Those were all things provided in the kit, and the meeting script is from Letters to Apollo. Let's see, just going over some things quickly. My bougie boxes are from Rose Colored Days and Scribble Prints Co., I believe. The scripts in the sidebar that are not from the kit are from Murdoch Talks. The overlay on the top of the sidebar is from Shop Jessica Hearts. And I really didn't need to use much in the way of other overlays, just because these boxes and washi and a lot of the other elements in the kit were already so beautifully foiled that I really didn't need to bring in much of my own decorative foil. The only foil that I really brought in was in elements like scripts that you can see there, and icons and things. I did use a lot of rose gold circle icons from Scribble Prints Co. and a lot of scripts from a variety of different shops. Here on the top of Tuesday, I'm just putting in a large washi strip and a half box, as well as this small appointment label. I took out that washi strip, it was a little large, and substituted in a foiled flag. That coffee machine icon is from Murdoch Talks, as well as that Watch YouTube script in rose gold. I pulled in a circle layering piece, as well as an icon from Recollections Designs to mark school. That class script is from Glam Planner. I used a script from Station Stickers to mark picking up a medication this day. I turned a checklist into a half box to mark editing this day. You can see the rose gold clip on the top of the sidebar. That is from Tender Designs. I pulled in an arrow and a flag to mark taking a bath on Tuesday, as well as watching The Bachelorette. The bath script is from Scribble Prints Co., and the Bachelorette script is from Letters to Apollo. And the icons that I used for both of those things are from the icon sampler that came with this kit. Those scripts on the top of Wednesday are all from Murdoch Talks. I also used those snowflake half mandalas, one in the sidebar and one on Sunday, to fill in some space. I thought they were really beautiful, and now what you see me doing is I'm pulling in a bunch of little snowflake deco pieces. I pulled some into the sidebar and a bunch to sprinkle across the top of the whole spread. Those are from Scribble Prints Co. and I thought they were a really nice soft touch to the top of the spread. I did have some new glasses come in the mail this day. The glasses icon is a leftover from a Glam Planner kit. That girl from Fox and Pip is on the bottom of Wednesday to mark a FaceTime date that I had with my best friend. The FaceTime script is from Recollections Designs, and the bestie date script is from Kinsey's Creations. As you can see, I already went ahead and sprinkled in a bunch of these scripts and icons that came along with this kit. The overlay on the box on Saturday, as well as the box on Friday, those are from Shop Jessica Hearts. The Refill RX script at the bottom of Friday is from Letters to Apollo, and the call script is from Scribble Prints Co., as well as that bath script there. The bath icon is from Recollections Designs. Just going in and marking off cleaning and filling in my YouTube work tracker at the bottom of my sidebar. In case you're curious, the pen that I'm using is the Pilot G2 in black and .38. I used that box in my sidebar to mark my favorite moment of the week, which was spending time with my husband on the weekend. He's been really busy this week with monthly close, so spending some time with him this weekend was great. That With Husband script is a custom from My Perfect Plan on Etsy, and the sticker is one from Fox and Pip. I'm going to pull in another one of those on the weekend as well. I pulled in a donut food doodle from Scribble Prints Co. and a coffee run script from Red Hawk Talks to mark donuts on Saturday. I also used a planning script from Glam Planner to mark some planning time that I had on Saturday. I marked Snuggles with my kitty with a Snuggles script from the Glitter Mama. I also pulled in some more of those Scribble Prints Co. circle icons. There's that other Fox and Pip movie night icon with a binge watch script in black from Letters to Apollo to mark a movie night that we had on Saturday night. I used a groceries script from Red Hawk Talks and an icon from the kit to mark our grocery delivery on Sunday. I marked Sleeping In with that same combination from Red Hawk Talks and Scribble Prints Co. I layered a phone circle icon over a heart layering piece to mark FaceTiming my mom on Sunday. That FaceTime script is from Recollections Designs. We also changed the cat box again on Sunday afternoon. That emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. and I used a Garbage Day script to mark that. I marked uploading this plan with me with an upload script from Nitty Designs. Hope this plan with me wasn't too repetitive. I used a lot of the same types of things to try to keep things consistent. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Also, if you have any questions for me, planner related or otherwise, please leave them down below as well. Here's a wiggle for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.